Okay, let us do those all. Okay, fine, right. So set theory. So in set theory we have discussed that types of set, that is types of sets we have discussed, types of sets we have discussed. Alright, we have discussed types of sets. So in that, once again, so brief glance, that is, first one is finite set, finite set. Second one is infinite set, and the third one is empty set. Fourth one, singleton set. So finite set means countable number of elements, infinite sets means uncountable number of elements, so uncountable number of elements. Empty set means no element, means set is empty, the set is empty. Wow, set is empty, no element. Empty set, empty set means empty only. Singleton set, single element, right. Single element always cardinal number of a always be 1. Singleton set, number of 5 is equal to 0, because 5 is the empty set symbol, right. Fine. Now coming to next set, joint sets. What are these joint sets? Joint means what? When we join our hands, if we are friends, right? Okay, then what are joint sets here? Friends means if two sets are said to be joint sets if they have common elements. Suppose I will give an example, then I will say the definition. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 7, 8. What happened here? So here 2, 4 both are in both A and B. Both A and B. It means what we can say, 2, 4 are the elements in common. So we can say that, so the sets have common elements, so they are called sets, joint sets. Hence we can say joint sets means, suppose if A, B are said to be joint sets, if and only if they have common elements. So A and B are said to be joint sets if and only if they have common elements. Okay, so we can say if we have common elements, then what to do? Then we can say intersection. So they are called joint sets. So A, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next B is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8. Here 3, 3, 4, 3, 4 are common. 3, 4 are common. Okay. So then we can do some operations. What are the operations that we can do? So some operations are possible, some operations are not possible. Means some values they will give. For example, intersection. So intersection. What is this intersection? So intersection is nothing but it is indicated by reverse U. See, if A, B are two sets, so intersection of AB is indicated by A intersection B. Intersection symbol this is. Okay, A intersection B is possible. Now let us see A intersection B, how to do here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now intersection 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8. Here what is asking? A intersection B means, intersection means what are the elements in common in A and B is asking. Intersection means what are the elements common in A and B. So 3 comma 4. A intersection B is what now? Set of common elements. A intersection B what? A intersection B is equal to set of common elements. Set of common elements. Right. Let us do one more question. Let us do one more question. Right. Well, let us do one more question. So that is, now A is equal to 2, 3, 8, 9, 11. B is equal to 3, 8, 9, 17. Then what is A intersection B? First of all, you underline what are the elements. 3 and 3 common, 8 and 8 common, 9 and 9. Only these 3 elements are common. So then write choose, and here you write. Here we have chosen 3, 8, 9. Selected and write here. That's it. So put set symbol. So intersection B will be A 3 comma 8 comma 9. This is about intersection. Okay. So intersection. So because A comma B are joint sets. A comma B are joint sets. Right. Now coming to next one is disjoint sets. Right. Disjoint set. Joint means common. Disjoint means no common elements. No common elements. Very simple. Joint means common. Disjoint, disconnected means no connection, no common. Understand? So disjoint sets means if A comma B are said to be disjoint. A comma B are said to be, alright. So disjoint sets means no common element I said. So if A comma B are said to be disjoint sets, if and only if they have no element in common. Let us see one example. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now B is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. How many common elements are there? A comma B have no common element. Have no common element. No common element. Now you can ask, is intersection possible? Let us see. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Now let us see intersection part. A intersection B is equal to, what are the elements? No element. So no element means nothing will be in the intersection. So this is what? This is nothing but null set. Hence we can say, what we can say? Can anybody? Hence we can say, if A comma B are disjoint, A comma B are disjoint, then A intersection B is equal to null set. And also number of A intersection B. Number of intersection B what? Number of null set. How many elements are there in null set? No. Hence they will give in exam, but it is very important. So as the objective, if A comma B are disjoint, okay, A comma B are disjoint, then what is a number of A intersection B? Very simple. What we will learn here? Actually, A intersection B null. Disjoint means A intersection B is equal to null set. So, number of A intersection B, that is equal to number of null set, that is equal to 0. Very simple. Okay. Right. I hope you all have understand this, and the remaining we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much. And 1 second. 1 second. So I'm requesting you all, please like this video, and if you have any queries, you can put in a comment section, and also I'm requesting you to please subscribe.